Okay, we are live. Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I'm your quant educator Mr. Shambeg, and today, let me change the name. As you all know, alright, so let's move on. Okay, so welcome to Entry. I'm your quant educator Mr. Shambeg, and today I'm going to discuss a very important mock for RRB, PO and Clerk. As you all know that the admit card has released. Yes, Nasreen, good evening. Hi, Amos. Yes, it is going to be in English, while in between I'll use some Hindi language for Hindi aspirants as well. Okay, Hindi region as well. But don't worry, majorly I will use English. So, but before we start this session, as you all know that we have launched our app, and it is Entry app, where you will be getting the free high quality mocks and video classes. There will be several courses available on this platform, so go and learn from there. And the link of this app has been given in the description of this video, so you can directly click on that link and learn from there. Okay, those who want some guidance, or you can say career guidance, can connect us via this WhatsApp number. So you can send us a message and we will reply you as soon as possible. So today's session is very important. Before we start this session, just subscribe this YouTube channel, because it is a very important YouTube channel for you. Why? Because we will keep giving you all the latest information regarding banking and insurance examinations. So tell me, am I audible? Am I audible properly? Okay, I think I am audible quite correctly. So let's start this session, guys. Those who have not installed the Entry app must do it at once and start giving free high quality mocks. The link of this app has been given in the description of this video. So here comes the good evening, Naseem. Good evening. So here comes the first set of questions, and that is DI. So guys, share this session with your friends and learn. Okay, so let's start this session. As you all know, the first question is a set of DI, which means you will have 5 questions. Okay, line graph given below the shows number of passengers traveling A, B, C, D, E, different compartments of a train. Read the data carefully and answer the questions. So look at this. Here, if you understand this, every slot is for 5 dots, okay, which means you will have your limit till 40. So if we look at the A's passenger details, you will get 36 passengers, while B's passenger would be 18, while C's passenger would be 27, while D's passenger would be 22, okay, while E's passenger would be 33. So I hope you all have got the data. Okay, very good. So they are asking about find total passengers in E are what percent less than total passengers in A. So it has been given below, shows the number of passengers in ABCD. So look at this. A has 36 passengers, while E has 33 passengers, while compared with A has 36. So look at this, 311, 312. Clearly, one ratio less compared to 12, which means 8 whole 1 by 3% is the correct answer. So tell me, has everyone got the concept? सभी को ये concept समझ में आया भाई? Come on guys, where are you? The session is very important. This session will give you an idea how you are going to approach the quant section in the upcoming banking examinations. Okay, so learn very quickly. Share this session. Okay, so let's move on and let's see what the next question are. Here comes the next question. Find the average number of passengers in A, C, E. So look at this. As I have already told you, A has 36, C has 27 and E has 33. So add these two data, you'll get 60 and 96 divided by 3, which means 32. Clear answer. Okay. Yes. Yes, Winky. Yes, very well. Come on, guys. Those. Look, this session is very important. ये session बहुत important है, so must learn from this session, because in this session I am going to give you an exact idea about how to approach a particular question. So the previous question's answer was B, and this question's answer is 32. That is A option. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Next question says find the ratio of total passenger in B to that of in D. Okay. Yes, Sajumol, very good, very good. Yes, Frankie, very good. So tell me the answer of this question. Find the ratio of passenger in B. B has 18 passengers while D has 22 passengers. So 18 and 22 makes 9 ratio 11. Okay, got it? So here comes the option E as the correct answer. Come on guys, where are all of you? Okay, let's move on. Total passengers in C and E together are what percent? So C and E, C has 27 and E has 33, which means 60 passengers. Okay. Yes, Nasreen, very well, very well. So guys, look at this question. It is a very important question. Yes, Venki, yes, Sajumol, very, very well. So total passenger in C and E. C has 27 passengers, E has 33 passengers. That makes the total of 60 of C and E together are what percent more than total passengers in A. So A has 36 passengers. So clearly look at this. 12.5, 12.3. 2 more than 3, which means 66 whole 2 by 3%. Option B. So tell me, everybody has got it? Those who are getting the concept must like the button and share this session, because this session is very important for your preparation regarding banking and insurance. You are not going to get lots of heavy questions. Remember this, you will definitely get lots of easy questions, but you will have to focus on your procedure, how to solve the question in a quick manner. So in this section, in this session, I am going to tell you, no Sojamol, it has to be option B. It has to be option B. Look at this. They are asking about are what percent more. Okay, are what percent more. So remember this. Next one says find total number of passengers traveling in B, C and D together. So B has 18, C has 27, D has 22. So kindly calculate total number of passengers. 40, 40, 67. So clearly option C is the correct one. Guys, you're getting a very, very easy question. So share the session. I hope you are getting the question. Find that easy question and solve as quickly as possible. Okay. Next, here comes the series question. Okay, look at this. It is a very easy question. Multiplies by 1, multiplies by 2, multiplies by 3, multiplies by 4. Okay, 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. That means 288 will be the correct answer. So tell me guys, Sojamol, the last ones. Yes, C is the correct. Yes. Venki, very good. Very good, Sajamol. Very well, very well. So you guys are doing really well. Just focus on the organized method and you will learn everything. Next, 16, 17.8, 21.4, 28.6, 43, and the next one is. Now tell me. Yes, Nasreen, very good. Yes, very good, very good. Look, the difference is 1.8. Here the difference is what? 3.6 if I am correct. The next difference must have been 7.2, which means everything is multiplying with 2, which means the next one will also multiply it with 14.4. Okay, so when you add 14.4, you'll reach this. That means when you multiply with 2, it will be 28.8. 28.8. So add it and you'll get the answer. 43 and 28. 71.8. This is quant, Venki. This is quant. Aren't you getting? This is quant. I am solving a DI section. So how can you say that it is not from reasoning? It is from reasoning. Okay. It is from quant. Okay. Remember this. In reasoning, you can shift the place value, but not in quant. Remember that. So guys, if you're getting the concept, share and like the session. Yes, Narsimha Rao, very good. Yes, Venki. The previous one's answer was C, not C. Venki, check it. It will be E option. Okay. Sadaya, very good. Nasreen, okay. Nasreen, just make a correction. Next, 12, 7, 8, 13, question mark, 68.5. So tell me. Look at this. -6. Next one is +1. Next one is +5. So something is adding up. Okay, don't worry. It is a quant section. I think I forgot to edit that part. So tell me the answer of this question. I want all of you to tell me the answer of this question and the procedure. Come on, guys. Come on, everyone. Okay, -5. Are you sure? So I am asking you, tell me the answer of this question. Come on, Chandu. Come on, Nasreen. Come on, Venki. Come on, Narsimha. Come on, Sudaya. Tell me. A option, 28. How? How? Tell me how. Okay, the next one says C. Sai Maitri says, Manohar, tell me how you are getting the 28. Tell me. Look, remember this. Yes, 0.5 product plus 1. 1 product plus 1. 1.5 product plus 1, which means 2 plus 2. That means 28. 2 product plus 2, which means 28. So option A will be the correct one. No, Nasreen, option A will be the correct one. Look at this. Look at the process. Yes. Very good. Very good. Sai. Very good. Manohar. Very good. Okay, so got it. Yes, very well. Next one. 72, 79, 65, 93, question mark, 149. +7 and -14 and again +28, which means everything is a multiple of 2, which means minus 56. So subtract 56 from 93. 7. So only option suggests D. And 8. So tell me, are you getting the concept? Yes, Nasreen, the previous one's answer was option A. So guys, if you're getting a really good session, just press the like button at once and share the session as well. Okay. Yes, very good Chandu. बहुत अच्छे Chandu. Nasreen, Sadaya, Venki. Venki, previous one's answer was 28. Yes, Narsimba, very good. No, Sajumol, no. Nasreen, just have a look at that. Manohar, what happened? No. Just look at this. I have already made a solution. Yes, very good. Next one. 8, 9, 19, 58, 233. Certainly something is multiplying. 8 ones are 8 plus 1. 9 twos are 18 plus 1. 19 threes are 57 plus 1. 58 fours are plus 1. So 5s are, which means 15, 16, 11. 1166. Option B is the correct one. So guys, you have to quickly adapt to the situation and you will have to work very hard. So share the session and press the like button at once. Those who have not installed the Entry app must do it at once. Chandu, the answer is option B. Remember that option B is the correct answer of this question, 10th number question. Sadaya, very good. Yes, Chandu, very good. Venki, tell me the answer of this question. Bhai. Sajimol, very good. Now here comes the arithmetic section. Now I'll give you an idea about how to approach an arithmetic section. So just watch it carefully. If the difference between the percentages of P and Q is 3 years. Okay, so difference has been given as 3 years. And the ratio between the age of P and Q after 2 years. 5:4. As you all know that whether we are talking about present, past, future, the difference will remain intact for any two persons' age. Okay, so here the difference will also be 3 years after 2 years data. Okay, so 1 ratio stands for 3, so 5 ratio stands for 15. Okay, which means P will have 15 and Q will have 12. Q will be 12 years old after 2 years from the present. Then find the age of P after 2 years. So I think the after 2 years age of P will be 15. So tell me, have you got the concept? Have you got the concept of this question? Very good Chandu, very good Sai. Nasreen, are you there? Sadaya, Narsimha, Chandu, Venki, Nikalesh. Where are you guys? Come on, keep messaging in the chat section, okay? The next one, A and B both spend 30% of their income together. A and B spend 30%. Remember this, together, which is equal to 2640. So clearly 30% of A and B has to be equal to 26400. Okay, so 1% equals to 880 rupees. The last one, look at this. If the difference between present age of P and Q is 3 years, so difference of P and Q's age will be 3 years, and the ratio after 2 years, ratio of age of P and Q after 2 years will be 5:4. One thing you should remember, that the difference between the age of P and Q will remain intact whether we're talking about present, past or future. So here we can directly relate the 3 year with 1 ratio because the difference is 1 year, 1 ratio. So we will find the individual ages of P and Q after 2 years from present. So clearly they have asked you after 2 years data as well, so which means option A will be the correct one. So let's come to this question. So 1%, look, A and B's total expenditure is 30% of their total income, that is 26,400, which means 30% equals to 26,400, 1% equals to 880 rupees. Now they're asking if income of A is, look at this, income of A is 20% more than B, clearly 6:5, it will become 6:5, which means if we talk about 100%, if we talk about 100% will be the total of A and B's income, 88,000, and that will be equal to 11 ratio because in the ratio it is 11. So 88,000 has to be equal to 11 ratio, 1 ratio equals to 8,000. So now they are asking about, then find the income of B. So B's income would be 5 ratio, which means 40,000. Clearly option C is the correct. So guys, tell me, have you got the concept? Come on, everyone. Did you get the concept of this question? Yes, very good, Venki, very good. Very well. Now let's move on to the next one. Very good, Sadaya, Nasreen, Chandu, Venki. 6:5, how? Look, the statement given as income of A is 20% more than B, which means you will consider B as 100, then consider A, then A will become 120, which means the ratio will be 6:5. Okay, Sai, remember this. A and B's total expenditure is 30%, which is equal to 26,400. So 1% equals to 880 rupees. So when we multiply with 100%, we'll get the total income of A and B, total expenditure of A and B. While income of A is, okay, income of A and B. So income of A is in the ratio 6:5. That means it will be equal to 11 ratio. Okay, very good. Okay, got it. If a man invests equal sum at the same rate of interest on simple interest for T, so simple interest, they have invested T and T, sorry, if a man invested P income, okay, P income at the same rate, just a minute, let me read out the question first. Okay, very well. If a man invests equal sum at the same rate, okay, so for simple interest, principal will be same as for compound, sorry, not compound. You're welcome. Okay, one is invested for T years, the second one is invested for 4 years. Okay, and rate of interest will be same, and the respective ratio of their interest gets by 1:2. So clearly PTR by PT plus 4R has to be equal to 1/2. So clearly P and R will be eliminated. That means 2T equals to T plus 4, which means T equals to 4. So we have found the value of T as 4 years. So option E will be correct. Very good. Next one. 12 women can complete a piece of work in 64 days. So it is total work. Got it? Guys, from now onwards I'll have to do the question a bit fast so you can match it, okay? Because there are lots of questions. Find how many women will be required to complete 2/3 of the same work. Okay, so if this total work, that means 2/3 of the same work will be conducted by how many women? Okay, by how many women? Alright, so we don't know how many women. Let's say n number of women's. Okay, so n into w in 16 days. So clearly 16 4 and women will be eliminated. Now 3 4 and here n equals to 32. So clearly 32 women will be needed. Alright, so option D will be the correct one. Next, so guys, come on quickly, are you getting the concept? Look, 12 women does the 100% work in 64 days, while they want you to find how many women does 2/3 of the work in 16 days, which means n women. So women will be eliminated. Yes, very good, very good. A train running at the speed of 72 km per hour. So train has its length running at 72 km per hour. Crosses a pole in 30 seconds, which means you will be getting the length of the train. First of all, you need to convert it into meter per second. That is 20 meter per second. Find the time taken by the same train to cross the pole with the speed of 54. So let's find out the length of the train. 20 into 30, that is 600. So 600 meter will be the length of the train. Now they are asking you to find in how much time they will cover with the 54 km per hour speed, which means 600 meter will be covered. So clearly 15 4 40 seconds. So it will take 40 seconds to cover that. Okay, that's really good. That's good. If this question has been asked in SBIJ, that means we are on the right path. Okay, very good, Venki. The upstream speed and downstream speed of a boat is 10 km. So look at this. Upstream speed and downstream speed are 10 and 14 respectively. And the boat travel for T hours and 6 hours in upstream and downstream respectively. So T hours. Yes, very good, Sadaya, Chandu, Narsimha. Now let's move on to this question. 6 hours. Okay. If the distance traveled in downstream is 44 km more than the upstream, then find the value of T. So clearly distance in upstream. So distance, the difference between the distance in upstream of the distance, downstream. So downstream 84 km will be compared with 10 T km equals to 44. So clearly 10 T equals to 40, which means the value of T comes as 4. Option A. It was a piece of cake question, guys. Keep sharing, keep liking the session if you're getting the concept. As Venki said that the previous question was asked in SBI JA. So guys, we are on the right path. You might not get the exact question in the upcoming examination, but you can get in the upcoming next examination. Okay. So here an article was marked up 50% above the cost price, which means the ratio of cost price and marked price 100 and 150. And allowed 50 rupees discount on marked price. Okay, so the ratio would be 2:3. Okay, and 50 rupees discount will be marked if shopkeeper still made a profit. So selling price will become 3x. So let's say 2x, 3x, and it will be 3x minus 50. Okay, still made a profit of 50, then find the selling price. So clearly, if you have to look at the profit, you will have to compare the cost price and selling price. That means 3x minus 50 minus 2x has to be equal to 50. So clearly x has to be equal to 100. If you got the x 100, that means cost price was 200, market price was 300, and selling price was 250. So they are asking about, then find the selling price. 250, clear answer. So guys, those who are getting the concept, Chandu, Narsimha, Venki, Sadaya, Sojumol, Nasreen, are you there or not? Sai. Next, A and B invested. A and B invested rupees X and X plus 800 for the same period of time in a business. If A gets rupees 3200 as profit, so the time, if the time is same, that means, yes, very good, Sadaya, very good. If the time is same, that means profit has to be equal to capital. Okay, which means if A gets 3200 as share of profit out of total, so look at this, A is getting out of total profit, so X upon X plus 800, 3200 upon 6800. So clearly we can find out the answer, 48417. So clearly 17x equals to 16x plus 6400. So the value of x comes as 6400. Okay, here comes the option E is the correct one. Yes, very good, Sai, Narsimha, Sadaya, Chandu, everybody. Next one, a vessel contains mixture of milk and water in the ratio 3:1. So guys, match my speed, because if you don't, you might get stuck in the examination. Okay, this is the initial quantity. Very good, Sadaya, very good. If 20 liters mixture is taken out from the vessel, and now, so 20 liters mixture has been taken out, that means the ratio will remain intact, as I have taught you in the previous session. The difference between the milk and water in the remaining mixture is 70, which means the ratio difference can be said. So 2 ratio stands for 70 liter, 1 ratio stands for 35 liter, so 4 ratio stands for 140 liter, which means we have 140 liter here. So they are asking about find the initial mixture. As you all know that if you have been left with 140 liter mixture, you had already took out 20 liter mixture. So just add that 20 liter and you will get to know the exact value of initial mixture in the vessel, which is option B. Remember one thing, the ratio will remain intact if you took out the mixture. Okay, unless you took out any particular quantity, the ratio will remain intact. Remember this one. Okay, next, perimeter of a rectangle is 2 cm more than the circumference of a circle. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 cm more than the circumference of a circle. So clearly perimeter says 2L plus B. Okay, difference, or you can say more. Very good, Nasreen, very good. Minus 2 pi r, but here is the catching situation, because area has been given of a circle. So pi r square equals to 616. So pi 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 616. So clearly 22, 11 2s are 11 5s are 11 6. Okay, 228. So r square equals to 28 into 7, which means 4 into 7 into 7, which means 2 into 7, which means the radius comes as 14. Okay, now the another thing says that if the breadth of a rectangle equals to the radius of a circle, so clearly radius of a circle is 40. So 2L plus 14 minus 2 pi r, so 2 into 22 by 7 into r has to be equal to what? 2 centimeter. So 2 will be eliminated. So L plus 14 minus 44 equals to 1. So L minus 30 equals to 1. So L equals to 31. Length has come as 31. So option C will be the correct one. Guys, you can skip that part and you'll get to know everything. Okay. No need to further stuck in the calculation, because here is the part I have done it to make you understand. इस पार्ट को मैंने इसलिए किया ताकि आप समझ पाओ. Next set of questions are from DI. Table DI. Number of orders received by 3PQR. Look at this. Companies ABC. Okay, so read out the data. Company P has received by orders PQR. Very good, Maitri. Sai Maitri. Very good. Nasreen. Very good. Total orders of item A and B received by R. Remember that. So first of all, you should understand by R. By R, A and B. 180. Okay. Okay, here is the spam. Mahindra. Very good, very good, very good. We have said it very correctly, but do not get stuck, okay? Let's ignore and move ahead. Total orders of item A and B received by R. So total orders received by A and B with R is, okay, very good, very good. Those who are doing it very well, R is 180 is how much more than the total orders of item B and C by Q. B and C by Q, look at this, 160. So clearly the difference is just 20. Very good, everyone. Option D. Those who have said option D, very well. Sadaya, Sajumol, Sai, Narsimha, Chandu, everybody is doing very well. Find total orders, all three items received by R. Look at this. Clearly, 210 is what percent more than the total orders, all three items received by Q. Look at this. 976 to 200. So clearly, we can find out the ratio. 1 more than 20. So 5%. Option A. Look at this. I have solved this question in a quick manner. So those who have got the solution in a quick manner, just press the like button at once. Guys, it's a very good solution. Easy. Very good, Jaya. Easy. Very good, Nasreen. The previous one's answer was D. But this one's answer is option A. Next. Find the ratio of total orders of item. Very good, Jaya. Very good, Nasimba. Very good, Sadaya. Find the ratio of total orders of item A and B received by P. A and B received by P. 140. Okay. 2. Total orders of item B and C received by Q. Look at this. 160. So clearly 7:8. Option E. Very well. So I hope you will all get the solution which you needed. Next, find average number of orders of item B received by Q and R. So item B received by Q and R. Look at this. 170 divided by 2. Find average number of orders of item B received by Q and R is what percent of total orders? Very good, Nasreen. Very good. Previous ones? Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Chandu. Very good, Jaya. Very good. 7:8. Sai. Very good. Is what percent of total orders of item A received by P? Okay. So clearly 85 by 80 into 100. 4, 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 42. So 425 by 4. 1061 by 4. Clearly option B will be the correct one. Got it? Very good. Next, find total orders of item ABC received by P. ABC received by P. It is a quite easy one. 190. That's it. 8 से 14, 14 5 19. Yes, the previous ones. Yes, very good, Sajumol. Very good. Guys, those who have not subscribed this YouTube channel must do it at once. Okay, let's move on. Here comes the simplification part, and you should know that you'll have to work on your simplification, you have to work on your calculation, you have to do 10 to 12 questions. You'll be getting 10 to 12 questions from the simplification part, and you cannot afford to lose any of the time in these questions. Okay, so do these questions within 5 to 7 minutes. Remember that, 5 to 7 minutes just. Okay, so I am going to solve this one. Look at this, 48% divided by 100. So first you need to solve the bracket, because we will use BODMAS method. Divide by 3 by 4 because 75%, it is 75%. Okay, look at this, 4 12, 4 25, 25 25. So clearly 12 into 25 do not multiply, divide by 4 by 3. So look at this, 100, 400, 400. Very good, very good. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Again, look at this, 4 cube plus 18 square divided by 7 square plus 121 minus 73. We don't have to write the whole question. The more you can do the calculation in your mind, the more it will become easier. Okay, thank you, Nob. You're welcome, you're welcome. Okay, so try to solve this one. Okay, 4 cube says 64 plus 324. Alright, you must know all the squares, approximately all the squares. 8, 8, 3 divided by, look, 49 plus 121 gives you 170. 170 minus 73, which means 97. Okay, so I think it will go 3 times. How many times? C, someone is saying C, someone is saying E. Just a minute, let me check that. Okay, 4 cube plus 18 square. So 18 square is 324, 4 cube is 64. So clearly 3, 8, 8, 4. Okay, and we have been left with 49 plus 121. Clearly 130, 40, 170 minus 73, 97. So I was correct. I think we will go 4 times. Okay, yes, absolutely, very good. Next one, guys, solve this question. I'll give you the answer orally. Come on, can you get that? 2. Look at this, 4 to the power x into 2. Here 16 square. Do not use 16 square. Divided by 2. Why? Because nth root, or you can say 4th root of 16 will be 2. Okay, when you multiply with 2, it will become 2 square, which means 16 divided by 2 square combined. So clearly 4 to the power x equals to 8 into 8. 4 to the power x equal to 64, which means the value of x comes as 3. Yes, no, C option, sorry, B option is the correct one. No, Nasreen, C is the answer for which one? Yes, the previous one's answer was C. So there. Three. I was doing it quickly, so when I solved it. Very good, Divya Lakshmi, Sajumol, no, very good. Now, 4 into x plus 120 has to be equal to 8 into 8 into 8. Look at this. You can solve this kind of question very quickly. Okay. So x plus 120, 16 8s are 128, which means the value of x as tell me. Tell me the answer. No, not 2. Look at this, Nasreen. I have solved it. 8 square will be 64. Okay. C. Yes, absolutely correct. The value of x is C. Next. I think this must have been the question mark. 755 must be subtracted with 432. 3, 2, 3. 323. I think there must be an error in this question. So guys, because I believe something is missing here. Okay. So you don't need to worry about it. Just do it according to the situation. X plus 432 minus 205 equals to 550. Remember this one. I think there is some error or missing in this question. So ignore this one and move ahead. Okay, yes, 8. Noob Gamer, Jaya, Sajumol, Divya, Pritam, Dinda. Very good. Look at this. 12 into 8 plus x square has to be equal to 14 square. So how you are going to solve this one? X square equals to 14 square 196 and 96. So 100, which means the value of x comes as 10. Clearly. Okay. Yes, the approximate value you can suggest. There was none of these options. Okay. Very good, very good. Everybody, Nasreen, Sadaya, very good. Look, 40% of 400. Very good, very good. Everybody, Sri Lakshmi, very good. Nasreen, Chandu, Narasimha, Revati plus x percent into 300 equals to 250. So look at this. 40 into 4, 160 plus 3x equals to 250. So 3x equals to 90, x equals to 30. So option D will be the correct one. Now tell me guys, Sajumol, very good. Now tell me the answer of this question, and yes, just press the like button at once if you are getting the concept and the procedure. Guys, you'll be given very good, Pritam, Dinda, very good. Very well, Revati, very well. Sajumol, Nasreen, tell me the answer. Nasreen, इसका आंसर बताओ. बताओ भाई, सभी लोग. Next one. 441. As you all know that it is a square of 21 divided by 7 equals to x minus 180. So clearly the value of x arises 183. Yes, Durga. Yes, Narsimha. Yes, Revati. Very good. Yes. Yes, Nasreen. Very good. Very good. Very good. But try to do these kind of questions quickly, okay? Yes. Okay. Next one. One thing you should know that you have to remember all the squares till 50. Remember this. Till 25 you should remember all the cubes. Look at this. 576 is a square of, very good, Durga, Prabhavati, Narsimha. 576 is a square of 24. 144 is a square of 12. 729 is a square of 27. 36 plus x. So 12 plus 27 makes it 39. And as you all know, x will come as 3 if we have to match the total of 36 plus x. Rajendra, not 5, 3. Okay. Oh, you're saying that fifth option is correct. Got it. No, Jaya, it has to be option E. Revati, very good. Sri Lakshmi, just check on that. Check on the solutions. Narsimha, yes, very good. Preetam, very good. Those, remember one thing, if option is in numerical value in a single digit till 5, you must give answer via option. Okay, A, B, C, D alphabetically. Look at this, 100. So it will become 2, 1232 plus 9, 1241. Okay, tell me the answer of this question. I think something 1241. I think it is missing something. There must be some error in this question. (1241) is not the square of any question. Okay, so remember this one. This question, I think something error is there. Noisy. Yeah, it's a bit of noisy because my fan is moving very fast. So I hope. Okay, now let's see whether it is audible or not. Yes, none of these. Yes, very good. Sometimes it will test you. Next one. 12% of x plus 100 is equal to 18. So 6263 250, which means x plus 100 has to be equal to 150. So the value of x comes as 50. Your option B will be the correct one. Yes, in that previous question there was a bit of mistake, I think. Yes, you all are correct. Sometimes our content typist makes some error. Okay, so that can't be. Look at that in a particular manner. Okay, yes, very good. Rajendra, Chandu, everybody. Look at this. Cube root of 1331 will be equal to 11 divided by 11 plus 9 plus x is equal to 27. Yes, very good. Everybody is saying the answer correctly. So 10 plus x equals to 27, which means the value of x as 17. Option C will be the correct one. I hope you all will get the answer. Next, x square plus 20 equals to 36. So the value of x square 16, value of x 4. Option B will be the correct one. Yes, Sri Lakshmi, very good. Chandu, Preetam, Sadaya, Durga Prasad. Bahut achhe. Now, here is a different type of question. How you are going to approach this kind of question? Let me give you a complete idea. Look at this. First of all, you have to split these two questions. These questions, okay? 9 plus 1 by 3, 7 plus 1 by 2, 5 plus 1 by 6, 6 plus 1 by 3, which means 9 plus 7, 16, 5 plus 6, 11. So subtract 16, subtract 11 from 16. Okay, it will come as 5. Now let's take the LCM of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3 equals to x. The LCM will be 6. 2 plus 3 minus 1 minus 2. So 2 will be eliminated. So 5 plus 2 by 6 equals to x, which means 5 whole 1 by 3. Sorry. Okay, tell me. D. Yes, D will be the correct answer. Just check it. 5. Okay, I think the answer will be 5 whole 1 by 3, but it is coming as option D, so just look at that. Okay, here 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 14 divided by 3 to the power what, 18. So tell me how you are going to solve this one. 3 to the power x, in my opinion answer will come as 3 to the power 0. So 3 to the power x, when you compare x with this one, it is coming as 0. So guys, I think you all have got the session which you needed. Very good, Sajamol. Yes, Sadaya, the previous one's answer was 5 whole 1 by 3, but looking at the scenario, they have given the option 5 whole 1 by 6, which means some error was there. Yes, very good. So let's wrap up this session. I hope you all have enjoyed this session. Yes, Divya, anyone wants to ask something? Do you want to ask something? Yes, Durga, very good. बहुत अच्छे. Divya, Lakshmi, Preetam, Sadaya, Nasreen, very good, very well. Nasreen is improving. Namala, Ravi, LCM is 12. I think the LCM will be 6. 3, 2, 6, 3. What would be the LCM? LCM has to be 6. How can it be 12? Yes. Reasoning. Akash sir will take care of the reasoning. You can ask your query on the given number 29. Just a minute. Look at this. Here 4 into x plus 120 equals to 64. Okay, sorry, 8 into 8 into 8. So I have split that and eliminate with 2. So 16 8s are 128. That means the value of x has to come as 8. Got it? Durga, समझ में आया? Yes, Nasreen. Nasreen, you can ask your query on this WhatsApp number. Okay? बाकी मैंने बोल दिया है, but you can ask it. All right? Sure, Akash sir will take care of that. Okay? So let's wrap up this session, and I hope you all have enjoyed this session. Till then, keep watching Entry, and yes, do not forget to like this session. Okay, do not forget to like this session. Just press the like button at once because I think I deserve that. Thank you.